Hello everyone. Welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how to write all the alphabets from A to Z in cursive writing. We're going to focus only on the lowercase letters. For the last 30 days I've been teaching you the letter A, B, C till the letter Z. If you had followed it every day by now you might have learned how to write these letters in a most legible form and also easily, and it gives you a good appearance. Now let's just take some time to write all those letters properly. If you haven't seen those videos, just have a look at this video. Go back to the videos on how to write those letters. I'll be attaching the link in this video so that you don't miss it. So let's start writing the letter A. Can you see I'm writing it slowly? It means that I'm taking control of how I form this letter. That's the letter C. If you want to know how to write these letters and the mistakes that you must avoid while writing these letters, check my playlist on mastering cursive handwriting, the lowercase letters, to learn each letter separately. So we have different ways of writing the same letter. You don't have to necessarily follow these exact steps, but we have slight variation, but the basic form remains the same. Yes, and that's how you write the lowercase letters in cursive. If you want the practice sheet, just click the link that I've provided. You can directly contact me to get the worksheets so you can practice it on daily basis. These worksheets are not like regular pages of writing A, B, C, D. They are quite different so that you learn these alphabets in a systematic way. So check my other videos on how to write each letter. So it's got for 30 days of handwriting improvement, and this is one of those videos. So along with this, the playlist, you can find all the other letters, and I've provided the practice strokes and patterns that you must do before starting these videos, so before starting these letters. So check all these videos and then let me know if you have any doubts. I'll be updating you with more interesting videos on handwriting improvement. And stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share it with those who need it. Bye bye.